Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad for weight gain. We'll focus on crafting a delicious and satisfying meal that helps you reach your caloric goals. This isn't just any chicken salad. It's packed with nutrient-rich ingredients designed to fuel your body. Get ready to learn simple steps and discover versatile ways to enjoy this hearty dish, making your weight gain journey both enjoyable and effective. Let's dive in and create something truly tasty. To boost the calorie count, start with about 12 ounces of cooked chicken, either breast or thighs, for ample protein. The secret to a rich, calorie-dense base is 1 cup of full-fat mayonnaise, providing essential fats. For healthy fats and a satisfying crunch, mix in about 1/2 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. Don't forget 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. They add a touch of sweetness and extra calories, making your salad both flavorful and energy-packed. Preparing this chicken salad is incredibly straightforward. First, shred or dice your cooked chicken into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ensuring an even texture. Next, in a large bowl, combine the chicken with your full-fat mayonnaise, chopped nuts, and dried cranberries. Now, it's time to season generously with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a hint of garlic powder for depth of flavor. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are beautifully coated and well incorporated. This hearty chicken salad is incredibly versatile for serving. For a substantial meal, pile it high on 2 slices of whole grain bread or a handful of sturdy crackers. You can also enjoy it in a large tortilla wrap, adding even more calories and satisfaction. To further enhance the healthy fat content and creaminess, consider mixing in or topping with extra avocado slices. Feel free to customize by experimenting with different nuts like almonds or various dried fruits to keep things exciting and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.